Hello, and welcome to our demonstration on how not to film an interview.
Step 1. When you start an interview, make sure you have a clear background. Nothing interfering, such as a vending machine, because somebody can get rather angry.
What are you doing? Don't film this!
Who invited him? Oh dear, looks like it's a blast from the past.
These are the kinds of things you should not say in an interview. These aren't the notes, Jeremy. Bella's gonna get you. Istanbul, remember me? Time is running out. 20th of July, 1998. It's time for payback.
Step 2. Now you want to say this is a step, because look what it does to cars.
Look all this. Ridiculous. You know, this isn't a bloody Formula 1 race circuit. We're not all Lewis Hamilton. Ugh.
Step 3. Now it's very important to make sure that you have your interviewee say,
Nothing's okay anymore, Jeremy. Nothing.
As you can see, sound is very important for an interview. No humorous jokes, please. It's a very, very serious matter. If you want to get an interview absolutely perfect, you need to have everything spot on. Otherwise, it can quite literally go pear-shaped. You have been watching a presentation on sound by Simon Wright and Tamika Short.
Why a little...